Pishpuni Pibro, Kajing Tip Namta Kubor like Kam, Kibalai Hapok Office of the District and Session Judge Nongston, the Kidon Post Kumba Pratali A Kibalai, the Hangne Nomar by Clemong, Bakade contract, the Gladeveki, permanent post. The Kibakwa and apply, the Snap Ha, Dubakut, Kumno and apply, Marbagade Beka, offline mode. The Piaban apply Kumno, but K post Kibalai, the Sapet video to go good. The District Selection and Promotion Committee West Khasi Hill District Nongston invite application in offline mode only. Offline mode only. In the establishment of the District and Session Judge Nongston and Judicial Magistrate First Class Mairang from season of India who are desirous for filling up the post as mentioned below. Tengah page iktai post page ke last date of submission sengamha kadai nriu tarik jong banai September arhajar sau. Te kibakwa apply salek no kamkuloi nai up ya kap last date. Te ka stenographer grade 2 kadan kawai ke post kare Nongston markine ki post ke balak kire Nongston meh merang kade kawai ke post kade ka level 11 katulok kade live punyo hajar praspa UR category. Te ke educational qualification dependent ka bachelor degree from any recognized university bar ka diploma in stenography. Markine de phaban Dapat jaga stenography ban yo ikam pada jongka stenographer. The minimum speed of 100 words per minute in shorthand and typing speed of 40 words per minute in computer. Dekine tang giba ale jaga stenographer kila ban apply. Nam ta ka stenographer grade 3 ka khamduna ga fermo grade 2 kham he ka tulop grade 3 kham red ka tulop. Ka we di Nongston ka we di merang. Level 8 ka tulop ka dai life hojar life spa boro artali gidegi UR category post open to all. Bachelor degree from recognized university with diploma in stenography in English or degree with its equivalent. The bachelor degree with tama update bayaga diploma in stenography. Kan mau bah kita update bayaga stenographer kila ban apply. Te kini kita baru kila ban apply. Te sekan mau wan le kabaran kam LDA don lightly post kadeh po Nongston ma 3 Nongston. Temut lightly post kadai level 5 katulok kadai arp sohjar newspa. Kawai dengan yung jongga UR category artali de jong Khasi Jaintia and Garo. Bachelor from a recognized university with computer knowledge. Technique stop with computer knowledge. Te filawan filadap ya ka 3 months course ne ka DCA ne ka kano computer you te filala ban apply. Kan mau kaya kata te kane kadai lightly post kan mau ha kawai UR artali Khasi Jaintia and Garo. Tulop arp sohjar newspa. Banam ta grade 4 dan artli post kawai gede merang kawai gede po Nongston. Katulop jongkane gede level 1 khatnyo hajar sospa. Sekan mau bah kitu bakalish panggil level tekine hangne kala dapen imo ya level ka page jongka level kan mau ka level 1 gede khatnyo hajar sospa. Level 5 gede arp sohjar newspa terter idon lagi jong idon ki bom yathu ki omai level te hangne dapen i katulop ade katu. Te po Nongston gede jong Khasi Jaintia and Garo. Hapok mairang kedejong open category. Tekan ebde rebet class 10 pass. SLC pass from a recognized board. Tekini artali ke balala ban apply da baro ke bala dep ya ka degree ba da class 10 kila ban apply kine artali. Tek ei jinon kam ban apply namta kine ke post ke balai. Candidate are to apply and submit kan mawa their application through offline mode ma we have see offline. Kelas date kena interview September, latest by 5 PM. Kapor kanang buan bah ban apply in the establishment of the district and session judge Nongston, Hapok district court Nongston. Complete application must be submitted with 2 copies of passport size photograph, attested self-attested copies of certificate, documents ebaro pihak ban xerox sa self-attested iki dan sa submit lang iki in support of educational qualification, age and experience certificate lada don kita experience certificate fila musomit lang. Candidate will have to produce the original certificate as and when required. Telada ki phaban raro ki original certificate lada ki pan ban pensisai kita ki certificate. One self address envelope kan mau hai kan kawai envelope ka kane 23 cm into 10 cm affixed with postage stamp kebasan dingka don ustam obaret badot sodo satan ka pilaban yo ni ki post office ne ki dukan ki badon ki badi te pilaban kali yo ta postage stamp Ka envelope postage stamp must be attached with the file in application. Te nomor ba kipan khnang ekine khnang ma market offline da kila khot nam ta interview le ne ka exam kar ba ki conduct kin pha ya ka letter lengba kita ki post lengba kita ka envelope ba phi phi la pha ai khnang ba kin su ki ta ka da ki pha khnang ekine. Candidate applying for more than one post should submit separate application form for each post along with requisite application fee. Kiba kwa ban apply artali lane lightly kan mau ba pihak ban submit laka jong omlong re ma submit lang haju. Kajing siu ro laka jong ki stamp ro laka jong envelope ro laka jong nomor ba kin pha sithi laka jong. Esa kan mau kata nomor ba kidang le beda kan ka ba pha sithi kinom le ka ba online mar ka offline ta ka daw ki pha siu laka jong. Application received through any other mode will not be accepted. Kan mau kin accept datang kan ka offline mode daga ba phap submit ikite jinon kam. Phap siuru ya payment fees kabalong lais pa tengka nam taki general but his pa san pho tengka nam taki SC/ST. Telada phi apply lightly ki post mut phap siu bej ba habro lightly kawai his pa san pho lightly his pa san pho phap siu mulada artali laispa lada sautali mut saus pasan pau kum tatar te phap siu ka demand draft laka jong omlang re ban siu lang haju mar phap thep laka jong the requisite fee kan mawa phap siu lingba ka demand draft is payable by demand draft kane phila ban yo na po bang mde re ban siu na mobile ne online mde re kum ta phap ban yo na po bang mar phap yo ro ye ka receive in favor of the district and session judge West Kasil district Nongstoin pendap dagane hapo ka demand draft. The demand draft should have been drawn on or after the publication of the advertisement. Te la depan mi advertisement te bisa la ban tho e ka date hang tu te kin sa yo nagano ka branch jong State Bank of India. Kan mau ne la mention ba jong State Bank of India. La ban yo State Bank of India. Lek tap ya tu la da apply lightly, tap lightly. Pidi ban yo lightly nomor ba yo receive ru lightly. However, candidates are, after the publication of the advertisement from any branch of State of India, candidates are advised to keep a copy of the receipt of after payment. Dala adepsiu, they will keep ia katuka receipt, but bisa lang but ka application form and produce it along with application form. Candidate must also write his or her name, address, and post applied for it on the back of the demand draft. Hadin jong katuka demand draft. Pihak bantu ro ya kateng gejong pi ke address bat ika post ke bat pi apply lada pi apply artali mut haka baningkong pinto eka LDA haka ar pinto eka grade 4 lane pi apply eka stenographer pin apply tali kum ta ter sautali kum ta lada pi apply bro sautali pi tho laga jong hadin jong ka kerteng ka address nam ta haka tu ka receive ya bantu ke man draft no claim or refund mla ashu la adepsiu don shu mla ashu ban claim ne ban pan refund ya gini ki fees beladap siu. Age limit kan debit khat pra hadu live ho news nem kan mau bahag ko apply kane khat pra hadu live news nem mar ba khat pra live r plus sans nem khat pra hadu live news nem relaxable by 5 year tiki ko apply kilaban apply ki dang hab hakatu kas nem ka ba kilabu reservation katu la tv kat kum reservation ke bala dabang tamak ne ada mention lupa preference will be given to the candidate residing permanently in the district. Mudba kibar residing permanently in the district hangne ka mention by district hapo West Kasil district markidon ki post hapo Eastern West tek la bandairu jongka Eastern West Kasil district. Preference we going to candidate residing permanently in the district. Can I preference by ekibala sa permanently hak tu ka district. Applicant are advised to apply well in advance after without waiting for the closing date. Government employee are to produce NOC kumta tartar tekne medan kam show and batagne the original certificate are to produce at the time of personal interview hakapor bala ek personal interview fyabra ek original certificate te mantip ya katarik interview mantip ke e baro kin sapha ya phi lang ba ka city lang ba ka tu envelope lang ba ka postage stamp ka ba phi submit lang ba ka tu hi kin sapha ya ka city ha ka address ka jong phi. Candidate must appear for examination and personal interview extra at her own expenses. Candidate advised to keep track of any entities relating to the examination and admit card can be collected from the office of District Session Judge West Kasil District Nongstoin. Te nagamta ki jing tipu ko khamne kiba ya dei bat kane ka post la da pila dap them Kwa ban kali ne kwa ban TPA phya ban lek wat jing tip ben na po connect office district and session judge West Khasi Hill te shubu phimyo jing tip show phim TPA shoot markane lada campaign mi AA jing TPA lada aslam palat phya ban lek kali hi ma phi ha po kane ka office district and session judge West Khasi Hill district na kan ma ka tamo nam ta ka exam la ne nam ta ka admit card phimyo sithi phimyo jing TPA te phya ban lek kali hi ma phi hapo kane office ong balano ka exam ba ka de nam ta kane ka post bangi thep ane ka admit card balai ngam yo hadu menta phila ban lek kali hang ne hapo kane office te sakan mau kitu ko kwa man apply nam ta kane post le ka bron kam bat le no kloi waram up ya ka por hadu ban ka poi class date le no kloi le submit hakane office district and session judge West Khasi Hill district Nongstoin kan mau sawat jing tip hi ka don ha e ka ta ka district and session judge West Khasi Hill district Nongstoin ki bakwa abna apply mar bakari offline mode phable biha kane ka office mar baka apply kane ya ka notification yang advertisement te phable submit hang ne hi ha kane ka office te tangki ne hi ki jing tip khule subon